It's a deal. Hey, Mo, you want to come with me and Wally to the Super Bowl?
Oh, absolutely. My favorite team's in it. The Atlanta Falcons. Yeah, ever since
A contagious disease warning has been issued at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in conjunction with the United States Department of Homeland Security. A possible bioterrorist event has taken place at the Caesars Superdome in the New Orleans metro area. During Super Bowl 59, several players on the Detroit Lions football team have turned into zombie-like creatures. The cause of their transformation is linked to possible contamination of bottled water that several players drank from. The infected Detroit Lions players proceeded to attack the New England Patriots players. Within a short period of time, the zombified football players charged into the stands and attacked the fans. The Caesars Superdome has been locked down until the outbreak has ended. Some of the zombies have been reported to have escaped before the lockdown and are now roaming through US Route 90. The Louisiana National Guard has been deployed to contain the zombie outbreak. The zombie outbreak is caused by a fungal organism similar to yeast. Symptoms of infection include fever, sweating, vomiting, photophobia, dementia, memory loss and death. Seconds after clinical death, the corpse will become a zombie and seek out living human flesh. The incubation period of this infection ranges from 30 minutes to 5 hours. The infection is transmitted through fluid contact, contaminated water, and in some cases, limited airborne transmission. Airborne transmission happens when a person is close enough to a zombie for at least 5 minutes. Due to the possibility of the infection escaping Caesars Superdome before the lockdown, you are to remain indoors to avoid becoming a zombie. Barricade doors and windows. Do not go anywhere near the Caesars Superdome. Those outdoors should seek shelter in the nearest building and wait there until an all clear is given. Get a firearm and keep it loaded at all times to defend yourself against zombie attack. In order to stop a zombie, you must destroy the brain or sever the head from the spinal cord. If a zombie breaks into your home, remain calm. If you have any information on the outbreak, call the authorities and cooperate. Your identity will be kept confidential and, if necessary, you will be given federal protection. Avoid fighting a zombie if possible. If you kill a zombie, stay away from the corpse due to high risk of infection. To repeat, a potential bioterrorist event has taken place at the Caesars Superdome which resulted in a zombie outbreak. The Caesars Superdome is under lockdown. It is believed that some zombies escaped before the lockdown was put into place. The US Highway 90 is believed to be infested with zombies. Have a weapon with you at all times. Avoid fighting zombies if possible. In order to kill a zombie, destroy the brain or sever the head from the spinal cord. If you kill a zombie, stay away from the corpse. Remain indoors until an all clear is given. Report any and all information to authorities. This message will repeat in 10 minutes. Normal programming is suspended.